हेलो बच्चों, हम लोग कैपिटल आज ABCD लिखेंगे. ओके, रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ग्रीन कलर. A for apple, A for apple, green color. A for apple, red color, B for ball, B for ball, B for ball, B for ball. Black color, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Yellow color, D for dog, D for dog. Yellow color, D for dog, D for dog, D for dog. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog.
Subscribe me.